All 5 CRs have complete shower, bidet, and toilet bowl. Power switch not yet. Yeah, this is another cooking area. This is our wudu. This is the wudu room. Yeah, wudu room for male. Okay, quite big. Yeah, quite big. Okay, alhamdulillah.